This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, the Express course. I'm on lesson 4, Debugging with Scrat, puzzle 10. Debug this level to get Scrat to the acorn. Alright, so when I hit run, I move forward, I then turn right. Okay, and then I move forward too? That doesn't... Okay, so let's try this. And again, it's totally okay to be wrong in code. Once, twice. Okay, so 3 times. Oh, now do I want to turn? Yes. Now I'll turn to the right and then move forward. Let's see. Oh, I got there. And so remember, code always runs in order. If I use this, I'm going to reset it. Step is really great for debugging. All right, you can see each line, what happens to your character. And forward. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's keep going.